when I just came here and I hear about the project, I just became very happy because it's one of my dreams to know an instrument and to play with the music. We don't have music school in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, we just try to play in the tables or in the chairs, window, the music. In my high school, and my teacher just became, "What is this noise? Stop!" In Saudi Arabia, you have a limit. Your parents, if they found a one person that you can marry with, you can just marry it, no matter who's the person. They choose for you everything. You cannot go outside. You cannot have a lot of things. Sorry. The life, it's not like that. The life, it's not gray. The life have a lot of colors. I like the most of playing the music that you don't have a limit. That even if you do a mistake, you can correct your mistake. I'm really thankful to the people that they do the Sound of Home because it's a nice project. They allowed us to learn the music. They allowed us to see a different angle from the life.